That's crazy. Look at this guy. What the heck? Standing straight up. Hello, Mary. Is Flora okay? Hi, gorgeous. I know. Hopefully I have an egg. Okay, I'm gonna check on your sister, okay? Okay. Hello, darlings. Okay, what's going on here, honey? What's going on here? You look all funky. What did you do? Okay, I'll have to check on you here closely. Hold on. That is Mary. And that is Flora. Okay, girl. You okay? Huh? So I'm looking at the camera here, and it seems really fuzzy, so I hope you can see her when I pick her up. She's not very happy with me. See why she's losing so many feathers. I mean, I can pull them out. What's going on here? What is going on? I thought she already molted. And this isn't like before. Yeah. Okay. So, sweetie. Now, I see other people with their chickens like this. Bare butt. Oh, honey. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Alright, I'm done with you. We'll check you in the morning when it's daylight, okay? Okay. Mama loves you. Yes, Mama loves you. I want to show you something here. Look at all this. Crazy! Why is my camera so fuzzy? Well, I'm leaving everything open for the girls, so I'm keeping the coop open. It's going to be 47 tonight. That's plenty warm for the chickens. They can roost on top if they want. They can roost inside, sleep inside. Anyway, so here's the thing. I don't know much about chickens. I admit it. I've only had them, I'm going on, let's say, 3 years. This spring is their 3rd spring, and I am still learning. And could it be just molting? I thought she was done. Anyway, until tomorrow. Bye-bye.